Welcome to our guide on adding IPTV playlists to TiviMate, unlocking your ultimate streaming experience. Open TiviMate on your device and navigate to the playlist section. That's where the magic starts. Tap Add Playlist to open up a world of streaming potential. Your journey begins here. Now input your IPTV playlist URL carefully, ensuring no typos to guarantee smooth streaming. Select the playlist type, choosing either M3U file or Xstream codes. Both have unique benefits. Wait for the playlist to load. You'll see channels appear swiftly if everything is correct. Explore channels to find your favorites. The variety might leave you surprised at the options. Check out the crystal clear streams. Adjust settings as needed for perfect picture quality. Feeling overwhelmed by choices? Organize your channels into categories or favorite lists. Discover the convenience of EPG, enhancing your schedule with user-friendly program guides. Let's not forget, 2TV.store offers unmatched services. Top quality channels await your view. Find out why 2TV.store stands out in IPTV solutions, ensuring stress-free viewing pleasure. With 2TV.store, enjoy peace of mind and reliable service while savoring entertainment at its finest. Remember, a treasure trove of entertainment awaits. Let's wrap up with our bonus tip. For bonus, explore TiviMate's unique features for customized and optimized viewing experience. Ready to transform your media consumption? Dive in and unlock entertainment like never before.